Good afternoon, students. Today we'll see about the family Acanthaceae, which is one of the major morphological diversity linkage of lammials. Now it has been estimated that around 4,000 to 5,000 species are present. In that 190 plus genera, recently a revision is going on. It is present in tropical flora and mangrove systems. Acanthaceae are present in Indo-Pacific mangroves. Medicinal plants like Andrographis paniculata, Justicia, others, other thoda are common. The model system for biodiversity and pollination Acanthaceae is used for studies. Acanthaceae combines taxonomic complexity, pharmacological relevance. It also shows a fascinating reproductive biology. It is ideal for studying like systematics, morphology, and applied botany. Like in the new APG4 system of classification, it is been classified from defaults to asteroids orders showing lammials, family Acanthaceae, including former family like Avicennaceae. Some Scrophulus members are also considered in this family in Acanthaceae. Recently, several tribes and subtribes and some like rearrangement of this genre was done. Acanthaceae now ranks among the 12 most species-rich angiosperm families. Like if we see the major lineages, you can see you see example Acanthidae, Sensilato, Stricto, is other subfamilies, tribal groups, and notes. Note that the flora and the pollen characters are the key delimitations for this family. You can see here this family diversification, like they show the floral zygomorphy, specialized pollens. Vegetative infloration trends. Habitat mostly you can see herbs, subshrubs. Subshrubs are very rarely small trees, presence of spinosus leaves and inflorescence like xeric taxa like Acanthophis as adaptation in semi-arid habitats. Like leaves are opposite, exstipulate, usually non-glandular, often with C3 photosynthesis. Some groups show zygomorphic anatomy, thick cuticle, sclerenchyma in dry region. Inflorescence spikes or head in some lineages, spinous inflorescence in 50 cells are linked to defense and seed protections. Floral structure, flowers are strongly zygomorphic, often with round slowly forming a landing platform for pollinators. Corolla is extensively variation from typically bilabiate tubes to more unusual campanulate or pellet type, reflecting different pollination syndromes. Androeciums may be 2 to 4 epipetalous stamens, diadynamous anthers of morphology, they have spurs and connectives, prolongation usually unequal prolongation seen in taxonomically informative at generic and subtribal levels. Gynoecium, you can see in this family superior bicarpellary sigma often to lamellate and sometimes trigonomatics, closing upon touch, enhancing pollen transfer efficiency. Like in this family, pollen morphology is also studied with diverse aperture number, exams, sculpture, shapes, and pollen data. You can it is referred for classification of this family systematics. Recent research activity shows high correlation between the pollen type and corolla estimation and patterns, showing the concerted corollas. Like the case of Nilgirianthus vegetianus, the South Indian mountain shrub. It is a family Acanthaceae. This showed dependence on animal pollinators. With experimental work was done in distinguishing the autogamy. Like fruit in this family is mostly of capsule. It is typically two-celled, loculicidal, reticulum, jaculatus, and distinct hook-like structure that catapults it during the dehiscence. Classic ballistic disperser is observed.